Guys, before I start this video, just real quick, this is just gonna be a down and dirty walkthrough of a 56 Prestige. It's what I've been on all weekend, and it does have pod drives, Cummins, and just a very cool boat, actually. This is gonna be a quick walkthrough. This is the boat we've been on the last few days. It is a 59, or sorry, the new one's a 59. This one's a 56 Prestige. Has twin Cummins and pods. So you come up into the back here. I'm gonna bring you in for a special treat. This is the engine room right here. I'm gonna bring you into that in a minute, but let's just do a quick walk around. You can see you got great access all the way around these halls. And sorry it got late on us, but we have to be careful with the tides, and we had to bring it in a late afternoon tide. So we weren't even allowed to come back into the marina till like 7:30. So you can see the big round deck's got a pad up front here, big front windshield. Come down the two sides, great access all the way around. Put this boat through the paces the last few days, and I'll tell you what, it was impressive. It did really, really well. So it's got a big seat back here. Can't wait to show you what's underneath that seat, but it's a big surprise. Also, leave your comments here at the end of the video. This boat is over $1 million. I would tell you it's the most expensive boat I've been on, but it's not. The Burger 48. Let me know in the comments, anybody remember the Burger 48? That one was actually 3 times the price of this one. Anyway, got a helm station here. All my controls, seat. You can see you got plenty of seating up here. A little barbecue, little refrigerator. And then it's got this hatch. Come back down the steps, and let's head inside. All right, guys, so we open this back door, which will open all the way up. We have a driving station right here, so we can drive the boat from right there. We drive the boat from upstairs, or we can drive the boat from the helm down here. So you can see we have a kitchen right here, full-size refrigerator. That's the refrigerator right there. Microwave, stove, little oven. And then this is the back master suite right here. You can see right here, this is the master suite. Nice bedroom, a little sitting area. And I kind of like this Jack and Jill bathroom right here. So we got the toilets over here, and then you got a walk-through shower right here. And then you have the other side over here, which gives you access to the shower as well. So very cool. Super cool. We were gonna take it to Key West, but we ended up not going because we couldn't get out for the tide. So it was kind of cool though, because we practiced docking with it, and the owner wasn't wanted to practice. All we did was run with the pods all day. So this thing has a joystick on it. So right here, this joystick, which is the pods basically, what you do is if you want to turn the boat, you just turn it that way, turn it this way. Want to go forward, reverse, sideways, and you do that at about 5 miles an hour. And then over here is just almost just like a Glendemming. This is all the Mercury stuff, but just drive it like a regular boat then. These are my 2 sticks, in and out, and it handles it really nice actually. I drove it with the sticks and I drove it with the pods. So anyway, looking back, that's a TV. That cabinet opens up and a big TV sitting underneath there. Now let's go downstairs. In the hall here we have the in-law suite, big bedroom, closet. And then over here you got access. This is the bathroom. This is like our main head right here. It has 3 heads in it. The 3rd head's gonna surprise you. I'm not gonna tell you about it. So a shower, toilet, sink, and then we just have a kid's room right here. It's 2 beds, 2 bunks. Anyway, we're heading out today. We're heading back down. We've got a couple boats actually lined up. About the Hatteras trip, taking the big Hatteras over to Alaska. It's coming up here. Anyway, down here in the engine room. Made it through the video this long. This is the big Cummins in here. Big turbocharged, big horsepower Cummins. A lot of stuff going on in this engine room. This one is a brand new gyro in here. This is what I was told the first weekend that we used it was today. Cummins generator. So anyway, really nice stand-up engine room. And now I'm gonna take you and show you what's underneath this bench. I didn't get to do any videos. I did some shorts on this trip, but I didn't do any long. But I am gonna do a quick walkthrough video. That's the hatch right here. This is the back seat, and that's the hatch for the captain's cabin right there. The captain's quarter on a 59 Prestige. It's super cool. You got a little mattress, TV, and you get your own bathroom. Super cool. That's what I've been up to this week. So God bless. Peace out. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's just a quick little walkthrough video of a Prestige